All right, so I did promise you a detailed look on my pair of the Undefeated 4s, so I'm just gonna cut straight to the chase while I talk. I'm just gonna show you the on-feed footage, close-up shots, unboxing, and everything. So it's not gonna be a traditional review or anything. I just wanna do this as fast as possible and just cut to the point straight away so I don't waste your time. So there's been a lot of people worried about the QC, especially those who haven't even gotten their pair in US from the undefeated.com website. That is crazy. It's been over a month and some pairs haven't even been shipped. And of course, we all saw the nightmare images of terrible QC. So I myself was actually worried. And for those who don't know, I'm in EU. So this is like a detailed look on the QC over in EU, which is arguably pointless because they're all made in the same factory before they ship it to every corner of the world. But still, I promised to do this video, so I just wanted to deliver that. But honestly, my first impression when I did the unboxing last night in that video, I was worried because I saw some threads hanging, I saw some glue residue, but as I inspected it a little bit further, it's actually not any different than a lot of Jordans. I mean, a lot of the Jordans have these minor flaws. It doesn't bother me that much. I was worried it was gonna be a lot worse than these turn out to be. So I think I'm on the lucky side to make this video short. I think the QC was actually good on my pair. And you can see for yourself as I'm talking to you and you see the footage next to my image. I don't have any complaints, honestly. And I'm really happy about that because this is the sneaker that we all wanted, right? This is one of the big ones this year that we really anticipated. It's the holy grail to a lot of people. And also just, I think, a sneaker that none of us thought it would ever be released again. So it's actually crazy to hold it. It feels dope. And yeah, I went with the orange shoelaces. My bad. A lot of people like the black ones. What can I say? I want to stand out a little bit, and I like the orange with the tongue. I'm not gonna remove the patch. I like it better when those two match. It looks awesome. Honestly, there was some, like I said, glue residue and some minor scratches on the leather. And I guess it's a shame because this sneaker is expensive, even the retail price. And by the way, I got mine on the exclusive access that was on the sneakers app. So this is not paid for resale. I'm not trying to flex. I'm just extremely happy I have them. But I had exclusive access, so I was lucky. It's been a while since I had EA, I think. I can't remember the last time I had it. Oh yeah, that was the Union Chicago Shadows. I actually had exclusive access for that. It's funny how you forget your W's, but you remember your losses a lot clearer, right? But yeah, man, I'm extremely happy. I don't know about how the QC overall is in EU because these pairs just started arriving for a lot of people because everybody bought it through the EA if you didn't buy it for resale overseas before the actual launch. And I haven't seen that many complaints in EU, so I guess, I don't know, I guess we were lucky because I read the comments and I saw a lot of people were complaining about their pair, which is unfortunate, really. They fit. I'm also like really nervous when it comes to the Air Jordan 4 because I hate the old shape because it's not as comfortable, and I'm actually, it's a crazy thing to say if sneakerheads are gonna hate me, but I like the new shape. It is more comfortable. I don't really care if it's closer to the OG when it comes to the shape. If the sneaker is more comfortable, that is a huge bonus for me, and these ones were really comfortable. It isn't like the old Jordan 4 shape, doesn't feel like it, so I'm happy about that as well. I had no problems when I walked around in these, so yeah, extremely happy. You can see my reaction. We're gonna do, besides me just talking quickly and going through this, I do want to do something special. I'm gonna do a cat test. You all know Stella, you saw her rat tail. She's the one who keeps leaking these stock numbers. So I figured, I have 3 cats actually. We have Klaus, Evie, and Stella. And we're gonna do a cat test, and I'm just gonna put the sneak out there and see if they like it. Just a little fun outro to this pointless review of a video. But yeah, I'm happy. My QC is, oh shit. Okay, that's not good. Like I said, minor flaws and issues, not that big of a deal. I'm not gonna complain. I think, okay, there are some scratches there as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna nitpick. I'm happy. I'm lucky and extremely grateful that I have this. I wish you nothing but the best over in US, because we are approaching Doomsdays, August 28th. And any day now, probably tomorrow, I'll have more info on how they will release and stock numbers and all that. So make sure you come back, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications and all that. And for God's sakes, do not miss the cat test at the end of the video. You don't want to miss that, all right? If there's any other questions you want me to take a look at or answer for you, just, you know, let me know in the comments. I will hit you back. It's been a while since I did a review. I didn't know how to structure this video, so I just thought I'll put on a camera and record and talk and show you instead of just talking endlessly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you know what? I'm not gonna do the outro because you're gonna check out the cat test, right? All right, check it out.